আমাদের ডিপার্টমেন্টের সামনে হলুদ রঙের can you see this yellow flower? So beautiful looking. It's what is this flower? I don't know, but I have to show you how beautiful it's looking. This is our Central Research Facility Department. In front of that department, you can see blowing. You can see. Oh, so beautiful, awesome. It's looking very beautiful. Beautiful IIT Kharagpur campus. In this campus, lot of old trees, like 100 years old. Wind is blowing, and you can see this flower. Yeah, blooming. This is our Central Research Facility Department. Colorful. You can see backside of the building, lot of ACs are. And that TEM lab were got fired actually during the corona period in this lab actually. And now this all are new ACs changed. That time one Windows AC is here, this window, and from here that spark actually happened and got fired. After that TEM totally gone, and because of that another also Auger machine and analytical TM, that also some effect, and that also gone. Now that new TEM is coming to the Sathi building, that is called the name of DJ building. Cycle stand here, one fire extinguisher is there. This is old building of the Central Research Facility. Everywhere lab. See this backside, one water tank is here. This is cycle stand. This is my generator. When power has gone, this is actually for backup of the machine, because our instrument is running 24 hours. This is the white tank, and this is big generator. Some supply the power, and that power has gone. This is the cross car, green power. This big gigantic generator you can see. And one this beautiful mango tree. This tree mango is so sweet, you can't imagine. So beautiful. This year very less was growing up, and all the mangoes are eaten by the bird. Sorry, this time we can see the mangoes. This is a sample preparation lab, and here you can see the facilities. This is the grinder. This is something rotable shifting. This is diamond saw for cutting the sample. And this side of one ultrasonic vibrator is there. This is another ultrasonic vibrator. Here you can see that electrolytic jet polisher for cleaning up the sample. This is very precision making. It is making a hole at the center, and near that hole you have to observe TEM or any transmission electron microscopy. You have to use different electrolyte for different material. This is another sample preparation lab. This is iron polishing system, precision iron polishing system. Here you can, this is the final step of the preparation of the metallic sample. Suppose your sample is more than 100 micrometer. So first you have to cut on that diamond saw. Then here you have to come, after cutting this punch 3 mm diameter, then this is called the dimple grinder. Here you have to reduce up to 20 micrometer. This is actually ultrasonic disc cutter for cutting 3 mm disc. This is for the ceramic sample. This is one precision iron polishing system. It's running on, but this is very old. It is minimum 20 years old. So I think this is not working. This is also, you can see, model number 691, precision iron polishing system. And this is actually carbon coater for coating on the grid. That is for actually using for the who are using powder sample actually. For that we are using copper parting array connected with the batteries. See, here it has 10 kV volt, and this is the hot plate. This is one microscope, and this is called the ultramicrotome for cutting rubber and polymer sample. Here actually we use, you can see that glass knife. This is the glass knife, very sharp edge. And with this actually we are cutting. This is called the trimmer. You can see this is trimmer, like pencils or pen. No, this is using like that for harder sample. Suppose your sample is mounting on the resin, so you have to take out that your sample from the resin. So you have to use this microscope for cutting off the sample. And this is actually the diamond metal cutter. Here you have to mount your sample below this, and this automatically places from both sides. First you have to mark one cut from the middle of that glass. Then it's from both sides placed slowly and cut that knife. So you can see the sample preparation lab in IIT Kharagpur. All the facilities, these are 18, 19 or 20 years old. And generally here argon gas used for this iron milling. If you want to know more about this, just subscribe my channel @Mandol 1661. I can give you try to solve your problem. If you have any problem and you have any questions regarding the sample preparation lab, any kind of sample I can make in this sample preparation. This is the transmission electron microscopy. You can see filament is actually at the top of that there. Lab 6 filament I use. Then here it is a condenser aperture or condenser lens, and then this is selected area diffraction. This is selected area diffraction. Sorry, this is condenser lens. This is objective lens. Here you have to move the beam, and this is the goniometer where you insert your sample. It's very very tricky. If you do a little bit mistake, you can lose 20 lakhs. That cost of that sample order is 20 lakh. This is right side control panel. Here you can see you can change the magnification. This is focus knob. This is diffraction button. You can do dark field, eccentric focus. Then come to left side. Here you can tilt the sample, alpha tilt and beta tilt. Then there is a fine coarse exposure and multi-function knob, stimulator control, intensity knob. So this is the transmission electron microscopy. And if you want to know and do something, your sample you want to do TEM, then you can contact me in my YouTube channel @Mandol 1661. This is another machine called spectro-electron microscope. See this inside already mounted one sample. This is a Zeiss company. This is a Sigma 300. You can see Sigma 300 BP. On this side you can see the detector, EVSG detector. Spectro-electron microscope for imaging top surface of the sample. This is the actually control panel for their camera. This is stimulated control. You can see this is focusing knob. You can see this is magnification knob. And from here you have to use 60, 120 or 300 micrometer size. This is the stage control. experiment. Lot of students using this machine with this relax also. Right?